Guys, welcome back to my channel Coding with Ravi Gupta. Today we are going to discuss GFG daily problem, which is juggler sequence. It is very easy problem. Let's see. So what is there now? Where we will be provided with an value n, and you have to return an array. So there is a condition that if the first value is whatever it is, the next value at I equals to 1, next I it will be, if the n is odd, then you have to return n to the power 3 by 2. But if n is even, you have to return n to n to the power 1 by 2. So what how? So at I equals to 0, it is 9 if we have given. So what next n will be? It will be n, as n equals to n is odd, so it will be 9 to the power 3 by 2. We can write this as n into n to the power 1 by 2. We can write n to the power 3 by 2 as n into n 1 by 2. So it will be 9 into root of 9. So it is 9 into 2, 9 into 3, 27. So in the same way we can write the next value. 27 is again node. So what it will be? It will be 27 into 27 root. So it will be 27 root is near to what? 27 into 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, so it will be near to 5. So and here what we can see in the problem, it is given 140. So 27 into 5, what is 27 into 5? 7, 35, 3. So it will be what is 27? It will be 5 point something. So when you multiply it now 5.2, you have to multiply it with around 5.2 or something. You will find this value as 140 point something something. As the you have to only capture the integer portion, so it will be 140 only. So the next value is 140. Now it is even. So what you have to do? You have to write 140's root. So it is 12 square is 144. So it should be 11. Let's see if it is 11. Yeah, it is 11. So the next value will be 11. Till when you have to do this? You have to do till the last value is 1, which is to 1. So this is how you have to return the array. How can we do this? Very simple. Just till the value is 1, you have to return. So this is the simple code. Let's see the code. So here you can see that's the answer wanted, long of vector. So just we did the same thing. So vector of long, then till the value is 1, you have to, what you have to do, if it is even, you have to return square root. If it is odd, you have to return n to the power 3 by 2. It's the another way of writing to the power 3 by 2. What you have to do, just push back the answer. When the while reaches 1, in n we will push back 1, and this is how we can return the answer. So it was two line answer only. So check odd or even, use formula and return answer, just 2 line. So let's run this in GFG, and I have write the same code here. So let's compile it. It was a very easy question. You have to just apply formula. It is compilation is complete. So let's submit, and all the cases are passed. So you can see the time complexity and space complexity also. It is as given. The time complexity is of n only, because we are passing just once, and space is used for answer, so no more extra space is used. So this was it. Thank you so much, and subscribe my channel.